Hi guys, so before we get in the video today, I just want to thank Amanda for making this cute artwork for me. I really appreciate it and I appreciate the support.
Look, yes, on this instrumental I will show you who's the best in this tournament of power. 911 force rumbling the cowards. If I had to put it plain, it is crumbling the towers.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do my Naruto Sage Mode look cosplay. So I'm going to show you everything I used. Here's the wig I used. It's a yellow wig I got off Amazon. I will put the link down below, as well as this ebon tinted lace spray, which is going to make the lace melt because we know the synthetics aren't always where we need them to be. So I'm going to apply the wig. This is what it looks like. Yes. And then I'll actually apply it a little bit later. And here are the pants for the Naruto cosplay and the jacket. I love the jacket. The only thing about the jacket was that the sleeves, honey, look at this. They're so wide. I'm going to show you in a second. But like everything else looks good. But yeah, like look at the sleeves. What? Why are they so wide? And then it came with some shoes, like the sandals or whatever, that I'll be wearing with socks because your girl toes weren't done. So, and then a couple other like pouches and things like that. And then here's the Sage Mode cloak or whatever you call it. I like it. So I got this entire set off of AliExpress. AliExpress is where I get a lot of my cosplay stuff. So I got another Naruto headband, kunai and shuriken. I think I said it backwards actually. So shuriken and kunai. And then I got some mini kunai knives as well. So it was a pretty nice set. And I think it was like 70 or 80 bucks. Not bad for everything that came with it. Yeah, we ready. All right, and then I got also was sponsored with these contacts from Unique So, and they're like the Sage Mode contacts. So now I'm going to show you guys briefly how I apply my wigs, my cosplay wigs, using the Got to Be holding spray, and you can see where how the lace is melted in, and it's actually looking pretty natural. So now we're just going to tie it up to make it melt just a little bit more as we get ready for the rest of the cosplay. So boom, now I have the jacket on. I really like the jacket aside from the sleeves, like I said, because it was so wide. And then the pants, like, barely fit. I actually think I couldn't even zip these up, so like the pants are an issue. But we're gonna make it work. We gonna make it work, okay? So we're taking the scarf off, and I'm gonna show you guys how good the lace looks. Like, look, this spray is like, this is my first time using this spray, but it was really good. And I mean my first time using the Ebon tint spray. I've used Got To Be before. Yeah. Alright, so I'm feeling it. I'm about to check the picture to see if I feel like it aligns with what I want it to look like. And it looks good so far. So we're going to carry on. I'm going to put this little pouch on my leg, which was a struggle because it kept falling down. And now we're going to put the cloak on, which is fire. Yes, yes. So I'm going to step back so you guys can see the full thing. It looks good. I like it a lot. I wish I had like the little scroll or whatever, but I didn't have time to like craft that. And I'm not the craftiest level 1 cosplayer here. But yeah, I like it so far. You saw my little dance. We excited. And then here's a mirror view with the shoes on. Want you guys to see. And I already told y'all the toes weren't going to be out because no ma'am. Not this time. But yeah, they fit. I was so nervous that they wouldn't fit my foot, but they actually did. Since it came as a bundle, like, I didn't know if the sizing was going to be good. So everything fit but the pants. They didn't zip up all the way, but luckily the jacket went down enough. Hey. And we're back. We're back to slay. I have the contacts in, which look, one of them is sideways. Like, what the heck? That's the one thing about these contacts. I had to keep readjusting them because the line. So they weren't the best fitting. So here we go. Now you can see them. I was obsessed with these. They turned out so good, and I feel like they made the look so much better. And I'm gonna step back, got the wig laid, have the headband on, all that, feeling my Naruto vibes, you know. It's good. So yeah, this is basically what the finished look looks like. I was very excited, and it was very simple because for this one I did buy everything, so like it wasn't too bad. And I was also able to find the contacts, which was great. So I'm a happy cosplayer right now. And then we're about to, okay, so here I thought I was in focus. How funny is this? Because I'm blurry as fuck. But you know, I digress. And of course, it clears up after I'm done. But y'all get the vibe. Y'all get it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.
One force rumbling the cowards. If I had to put it plain, it is crumbling the towers. Wowzers.